totoo kong klaseng kaibigan. I grew up to be like that, to always be there, someone you really cherish.
Special friends, nagliligawan pa rin. Yan pa rin ang mga salitang binibitawan ni Lovie Poe at Congressman Ronald Singson tuwing tinatanong tungkol sa kanilang rumored relationship.
Kayo na ba?
Yan ang tanong mo sa kanya. Hanggang ngayon ako nagtatanong pa rin.
Okay.
Ngunit base sa mga pahayag ni Congressman Singson tungkol sa kanyang mga nararamdaman para sa aktres.
Very, very supportive. Parang hulog ng langit. Maraming salamat sa suporta na pinapakita mo at sana darating na yung panahon na makikita mo na hindi mo pagsisisiyan lahat ng mga ginagawa mo para sa akin.
Masisisi pa ba ni Lovie ang mga taong nagbibigay ng kahulugan sa mga pahayag na ito? Matapos marinig ng lahat ang saloobin ng kanyang rumored boyfriend, handa na rin ba si Lovie upang buksan na ang damdamin sa publiko? The secrets lie behind the wall at sisikapin ng 3 special informants na matumbok ang katotohanan. Walang pagpipigil. Masagot na kaya ang mga katanungan o mananatili pa ring urong-sulong ang mga kasagutan? Magkakaalaman na sa pagharap ni Lovie Poe sa matinding hamon behind the wall.
Mga kapuso, ang blooming na si Miss Lovie Poe, live na live.
Hello!
Lovie, blooming in terms of career and your looks. Kasi both factors in your life ngayon talagang napakaganda. You were so hot in Party Pilipinas kanina. Yung video mo na ginawa mo sa Party Pilipinas and also your bench billboards all over the metro. And yung sinabi kong yung career, dahil bago tayo mag-live ngayon, pinakita yung teaser ng Beauty Queen. And I know you have a special participation there. Napakahusay ng acting mo sa
Thank
trailer.
you. Thank you
Grabe.
so much, Juan. Thank you.
Pero bago tayo magtuluyan ng mga compliments dito, eto na, intrigahan muna sa Showbiz Central. Kaya kilala na natin ang mga special informants behind the wall. Eto na sila, Lovie. Si Special Informant number 1, isa siya sa mga pinaka-close girlfriends mo. And girl talk can be deadly, right? Special Informant number 1.
Lovie! Hello! Hulaan mo ako!
Okay, hi! Hello!
Oo,
Ayun.
parang may bangag lang si ano no, SA number 1.
Sorry,
Si Special Informant number 2 naman, isa sa mga kasamahan mo sa Party Pilipinas and alam naman natin ang mga rehearsals, talagang long hours, meaning marami kayong chance na magchismisan, kaya marami raw siyang alam tungkol sa'yo. Special Informant number 2, a few words please.
Bonjour, Lovie! Comment ça va?
Hello? Oh my God.
Parang
Who's this?
nag-French yata.
Yes.
Oo, okay. Eto na si Special Informant number 3, kadugo mo. Pero sa ngalan ng intriga, walang pamipamilya at talagang marami siyang alam tungkol sa'yo. Special Informant number 3.
Hi, girl! Ready ka na ba sa mga tanong ko?
Ba't ka natatawa?
Kasi may mga nasa utak na ako kung sino sila, but I'm just not sure. So.
Okay, simulan na natin ang mga katanungan. Let's start with Special Informant number 1. Your question for Lovie, please.
Sabi ni Congressman Singson, hanggang ngayon, nagtatanong pa rin siya sa'yo. Hindi mo pa rin ba siya sinasagot?
Okay, because I was in Hong Kong a couple weeks ago and he said there, ikaw raw ang tanungin. So, ngayon, Lovie, binabalik namin ang tanong sa'yo. Kayo na ba?
Well, for me kasi, whatever it is that's going on between me and Ron, I hope that people will respect the fact that I want to keep it private because siguro there are some things that I want to keep for myself naman sometimes kasi syempre, even though I'm a public figure, gusto ko may matirang pribado naman para sa akin. So, yun. So, I'll keep it private na lang.
How do you show your support? Kasi alam natin may pinagdadaanan si Congressman Ronald ngayon. How do you show your support? Dumadalo ka ba sa Hong Kong? Hindi naman niya dineny yun. And as a close person in your life, paano mo pinapakita yung suporta sa kanya na alam naman natin kailangan niya right now?
A lot of ways siguro. Kasi pagka malapit sa akin yung tao, talagang importante sa akin na napapakita ko na special siya sa buhay ko. So, ako siguro, sticking up for him is one already. I mean, despite the fact that people would say a lot of things about me just because I'm sticking up for him or staying by his side, siguro, tinatanggap ko na lang yun. Kahit marami, I get a lot of flack because of it, tinatanggap ko lahat yun.
In the name of your relationship for Congressman Ronald Singson, you are willing to receive negative flack, negative comments, okay lang sa'yo yun?
Yes, okay lang sa akin yun. I mean, lahat naman ng tao may sarili-sarili silang opinion and nire-respeto ko rin naman yun. So, for me, yun, I just have to respect that.
And in this business, you can't please everybody, right?
Yes, of course, you can't please everybody and I'm not even gonna try. I don't
Okay.
even wanna try.
Okay, there you go. Special informant number 2, kailangan mas grabe yung katanungan mo doon. Your question, please.
Nako, grabe talaga ang tanong na to. Marami ang nagulat nang makita kang very sexy sa bago mong underwear billboard. Lalo pa silang nagulat nang malamang may tattoo ka pala. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng mga tattoo mo?
Okay, kasi every time I have to go to GMA, I drive by your huge billboard in Guadalupe. As in, ito na yata yung pinakamalaking billboard sa bansa. At hubad na katawan ni Lovey ang nandun, di ba? So, hindi talagang maiwasan na magulantang ang sambayanan dito, Lovey. Not a lot of people know that you have the body that you have, right? Ano yung mga tattoos mo? You have 2 tattoos on each
Yes.
side. Ano yung ibig sabihin nun?
Well, it says my wings sa right side ko and my gravity sa left side. I got it nung death anniversary ng dad ko kasi siguro yun na siguro yung pinakamasakit na one of the like most painful things na pinagdaanan ko nung nawala siya sa buhay ko. So talaga I wanted it and on my body kasi parang kumbaga scar na yun sa akin. So
Bakit my wings and bakit my gravity?
well, actually, there are 2 meanings. My wings, my gravity. Wings kasi makes you fly, gravity pulls you back to the ground. So, dalawang meaning yon. Una, positive and negative. May positive and negative na effect na dad ko siya. Second is, he makes me fly, as in like soar high, but then pulls me back to the ground, which makes me level-headed. Parang ganon. So,
Okay, understood. Kaya naman pala. Okay, special informant number 3, your question for Lovey.
Kailan ka huling nakaramdam na sobrang kalungkutan at bakit?
Okay, when was the last time?
well, siguro, I could say, right now, I'm still sad right now. Because of what's happening to Ron, siguro. Yun, I mean, I know him kasi personally and he's a very good person. Kaya, nalulungkot ako na nangyayari to sa kanya ngayon.
What are your wishes for Ronald?
I wish sana maayos na lahat. Sana lumabas na lang kung ano yung mga talaga nangyari. So, sana maayos na lang.
Okay, well in due time, I'm sure everything will be fixed. I'm sure lahat yan malalampasan din, di ba, Lovey?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ngayon, it's time to guess who's behind the wall. We have special informants 1, 2, and 3. Go for it.
First, this is my best friend, Monica Coneta. I think, huh? And second, oh my gosh, I'm gonna freeze. It's between Heart or Rocco. Heart siguro.
Okay. Number 3,
Number 3,
Kadugo.
Kadugo. My cousin, Maki, Kim or Yela. I think that's Maki. Maki, my cousin. I'm not
Okay.
Maki.
Let's see graphics please. Tama ba ang hinala ni Lovey Po? Okay, there you go. Monica is your friend, but it's not Heart. It is Sarah Labati, kaya pala French.
Hi, Lovey.
And number 3 is your Tita Rosa.
Hi, tita.
There you go.
See, ang gaganda nila, oh. Yay!
Thank you guys for being here.
Thank
At dahil
you.
hindi mo nahulaan, Lovey, I have to ask you the ultimate question. Okay, here we go. Ayon sa isang reliable source, mahilig tayo sa reliable source dito. Minsan raw ay nag-date kayo ni Congressman Ronald Singson sa isang mall at nang magpunta kayo sa basement sa parking lot ng nasabing mall, di umano'y dumating ang dati mong karelasyon na si Jolo Revilla. At ayon sa source na ito, nagkaroon daw ng enkwentro between Congressman Ronald and Jolo na hindi maganda. Was there ever a time that you saw Jolo when you're with Ronald?
Nanginginig ako. No, I don't think so. I never ko nakita si Jolo na nakasama ko si Ron. I think. I don't remember anything.
So walang nangyaring encuentro between the two gentlemen?
No, walang nangyari.
Okay. But you think kung magkita Ronald, Jolo, and you in the same vicinity, do you think it will have a negative effect? Ano yung mangyayari?
I don't think so. I don't think there will be a negative effect. I mean, yung sa amin ni Jolo, matagal na yon, and for sure naman na masaya na siya ngayon. I'm sure of that. And yun, and si Ron naman, it's not, alam niya naman yun eh. Maintindihan niya naman na pwede niya makita si Jolo anywhere.
Okay. Okay, there you go. Thank you so much, Lovey. And I know you have a brand new movie
Yes,
in time for Halloween, so please invite everybody.
Yes, I'm inviting everyone to watch White House. And showing na yan. When is this? On October... Hello? When is the showing of White House? October 19 is the premiere night of White
Okay.
House. So I'm inviting everyone to go there.
Okay, October 19, White House. I know it's star-studded. Sarah is part of the cast.
Sarah Levant.
Gabby Concepcion. Who else?
Gabby Concepcion, of course, Maricar Reyes, Miss Isa Calzado, Janus Del Prado, Sarah Labati, of course, and
There you go.
A lot of
Star-studded. Okay, White House. Thank you so much, Lovey, for being here. Alam ko,
Thank you.
happy birthday to Sarah Labati.
yes,
of course,
happy birthday,
celebrating
Sarah.
her birthday.
Thank you.
And also, Lovey, congratulations with Beauty Queen, your cameo. And I
Thank
know
you.
that you'll be part of Captain Barbell.
Yes, thanks,
Malapit na rin
Mon.
yan na lumipad
Thank
sa
you.
prime time. So, thank you for being here, for being honest.
Yes.
Diyan lamang po kayo dahil susunod na ang one-on-one ni Miss Pia Guanyo with American Idol, Adam Lambert. Diyan lamang po kayo.
Thank you.
Tutukan ang nakaka-excite na final minutes sa treadmill run ni Berwin. Susunod na, Pia at Adam, one-on-one.
About their sexual preferences and stuff like that. And did you experience any such thing growing up?
I felt that I was judged.
At ang buong kwento sa pagpaparamdam daw ni the late Francis M. sa Pamilya Magalona.